What's up, guys? It's your boy Rex here, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a simple step-by-step method you can use to follow step by step and start making some sales on Clickbank, guys. So all of these, guys, is to follow this method step by step and take action on the methods, guys, and you can start getting some targeted traffic back to your affiliate offers and start making some sales like this, guys. So all of this, take action on the methods, guys. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, to get notified anytime that I post new videos on how to make money online, clickbank methods, and online earning methods, guys. And you want to learn my most recommended method to start making some extra money fast online, be sure to click the first link in the description below to learn more, guys. So that's it. Let's get into the video, guys. Let me show you guys how you can do this step by step and start making some sales. So the first step, guys, that you're going to go to Clickbank, you're going to choose a high converting product, guys. So with this method, we're going to be promoting one particular product, and the product, guys, is a product that I've been promoting as well, and I've been making a lot of sales with this product. So be sure to watch step by step till the end, as I'm also going to show you guys how you can promote this product with these free traffic methods and get a lot of traffic and start making some sales, guys. So we're going to go to the affiliate marketplace. So we go to the affiliate marketplace, and the product that we're going to be promoting with this method, guys, is the overnight millionaire. So we just type, for example, overnight. You're going to find the product overnight millionaire program on Clickbank, guys, and this product is converting very well. So you can see the overnight millionaire system. So you can see I've made up to $707 initial sales and up to $300 upsells from this one, guys, and I have only 1% refund. So I have only one refund from promoting this product. So this is a product that has a lot of value, and if you are promoting a valuable product, you are going to have less refunds and you can make a lot of money promoting those type of products, guys. So you don't want to promote a product and have a lot of refunds, which means that you just wasted your time and your effort to make this money and got refunded back, guys. So if you click as well, if you go to the affiliate page, you're also going to see that there are a lot of resources and there are a lot of people that are already making money as well with this promoting this particular product, guys. So let me just enter this and go to the resources page. You're going to see that there are people that are making a lot of money promoting this particular product, and the product is converting very well. As you can see the sales from here, you can see other people are making their first sales promoting this particular product because it converts very well and it gives a real value to the people that are buying this product, guys. So you can see there are a lot of people making sales from promoting this one particular product, guys. However, you can see, guys, that you can see there are resources. There are a lot of resources that you can use to promote this product with this method I'm going to be showing, guys. So there are videos, so you can see Facebook ad videos that you can use. I'm also going to show you guys how you can use these videos as well to promote your products effectively. So you click on this access Facebook videos, you're going to find a lot of videos that you can just download them and you can upload them and get a lot of free traffic with this particular method I'm going to be showing you guys. So you can see these are a lot of videos. I'm going to show you guys how you can use these videos effectively and also use images to promote this product very easily, guys. So we click on this one, for example. So that's a simple video that I provided, guys, that you can use and promote effectively with this method I'm going to be showing you guys. So what you're going to do from here, guys, is you're going to start promoting this product with this free traffic method. So the free traffic method I'm going to show you guys is Pinterest, guys. So I show you guys in one of my videos some methods that you can go and promote different affiliate products with Pinterest, guys. But if you're going to be promoting this particular product, this is one of the best ways that you can go and promote it with a step-by-step method I'm going to be showing you guys. So be sure to watch step by step till the end, as I'm also going to show you guys how you can promote this effectively and you can actually start making sales from promoting this particular product, guys. So as I show you guys, Pinterest is a very big traffic source. You can see Pinterest is getting up to 848 million visitors every month, guys, and this is a huge audience that you can just go and promote your affiliate products for completely free, and they have less rules than Facebook, guys. So you cannot promote a lot of products on Facebook. Many links are blocked on Facebook, but with Pinterest, guys, it's still free and you can go and take advantage of Pinterest right now and start promoting your affiliate products on Pinterest before they increase the rules like on Facebook and start removing links and all that. So what you're going to do, guys, let me search, for example. So you search, for example, luxury lifestyle. What you're going to see, guys, you're going to see a lot of results. You're going to see cars, you're going to see people enjoying life, you can see money and all these, guys. So what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to be creating this type of images. I'm going to show you guys step by step and how you can use these images and videos and promote this product effectively, guys. So you see, you can see these are just videos. These are videos. These are cars. You can see lifestyle. If you search, for example, luxury lifestyle. So let's say, for example, exotic cars. You're also going to find a lot of videos, guys. So what you want to understand, guys, that the type of people that are looking for these exotic cars and these luxury lifestyles are people that are interested in making a lot of money and living this type of lifestyle. And what we're going to be selling this product is because this product is going to help these people to start changing their mind, and they can use these techniques to make this type of money and start living this type of lifestyle. So they're going to be more interested in buying our affiliate products, as this our affiliate product is going to help people to learn how to make money and live their dream lifestyle. So that's the psychology behind you promoting this type of products to people that are interested in looking at cars, because people that are looking for cars like this are interested in cars and they're dreaming of living this lifestyle one day. So if they're looking for cars and luxury lifestyles, are interested in living this life one day, guys. And what they're going to do, guys, they're going to provide them this product that is going to help them from someone that's already done it. So the product itself is a product that's going to help people to reprogram their mind to a millionaire mindset that is going to enable them to get the skills to make a lot of money and they can afford their dream lifestyle. So what you're going to do, guys, are going to create this type of images and type of videos strategically, and you're going to be linking people back to your affiliate offer. So all you're going to do, guys, is very easy. All you're going to do is you're going to create a similar page like this, guys. So let's click on this one, for example. So you click on this one and you go to the page itself, so you can see link back to their website. So you go to the page itself, the owner of this page, you're going to see, guys, they're getting up to 3.2 million views every month, guys, because a lot of people are interested in exotic lifestyle and rich lifestyle like this, and all they do is post these images, guys, and they're getting up to 3.2 million views every month, guys. So imagine if that you are promoting your affiliate product that's going to help people to live this type of dream lifestyle. You can make a lot of money promoting this product on Pinterest, guys. So the first step you're going to do, guys, you're going to go and sign up for a Pinterest account, and you are going to start creating pins, guys. So watch step by step as I'm going to show you guys how you can put this in place and implement this strategy right after this video and start getting a lot of free traffic back to your affiliate offers. So the first step, you're going to create a Pinterest account and you're going to name it, for example, you're going to name it, for example, luxury lifestyle. You're not going to give this type of name, so you're going to give the name, for example, luxury lifestyle or millionaire lifestyle, something like that, that is related to being wealthy. So the next step is, guys, from here is that you're going to create pins. So once you have created your account, the next step is that you're going to create pins and you're going to create both pictures and both images, guys. So you don't have to go and create all of this. So all of this is already free for you to just copy and paste on Pinterest and link people back to your affiliate offer, as I'm going to be showing you guys step by step. So once you create your account, all you have to do is click on create pin and you're going to create a simple pin, guys. So all you have to do is just upload images of cars and luxury lifestyle, and you're going to link people back to your affiliate offer. So when you click on create pin, now you have to create a simple pin, guys. So I'm going to show you guys why you have to use both images and videos, guys. So videos get a lot more engagement on Pinterest. I'm going to show you guys where to get these videos for completely free and where to get the images for completely free, guys, and put it on Pinterest and link it back to your affiliate offer. So let's say we're going to be posting luxury images like this, and we're just going to be posting images of yachts, cars, and jets like this, and linking people back to our affiliate offer. To get the images is very easy. All you have to do is go to Google, guys. So go to Google. So I just type on Google luxury lifestyle images, and you're going to find a lot of websites that have a lot of free stock photo that you can go and just download them and put them on Pinterest, guys. So you can see these are different websites. This Unsplash, the Spexels.com, and iStockPhoto.com. You can see all these websites that you can just go and download these images for completely free, and you can go and just paste them on Pinterest and link them back to your affiliate offer, because the type of people that are watching these images on Pinterest are interested in this luxury lifestyle, guys. So you can see this is only one search. You can see a lot of these type of images that are already free for you to just download, guys. So you can see these are different images, and if you go to the other website, you're going to find a lot more other images that you can just download and paste on Pinterest, guys. So this is just one website, and if you search different keywords here, you're going to find a lot more different results, guys. So if you search, for example, exotic cars, you're going to see, guys. So you can see these are luxury cars. So these are all of these images are already free for you. Just copy and paste on Pinterest and link people back to your affiliate offer. So let's say, for example, we want to download one of this. So let's say we just download one of this. So let's say we want to download this one. All you have to do is click on free download. So you can see it's completely free for you to download. Once click on download, and that's it has been downloaded, and all we have to do is go and paste it on Pinterest. So what you're going to do from here, you're just going to go back to Pinterest and we're going to upload the image. So click on upload image. We're going to select our image, and that is our image that has been posted on Pinterest, guys. So you can just write, for example, discover the lifestyle of the super rich. So for example, discover the lifestyle. So you can just write a simple title like this, and you can just link people back to your affiliate offer, guys. So what you're going to do, guys, is that it's very important. You want to include a description. So to write a description, you're going to write a very simple description, guys. So I wrote a simple description, guys. So this is a simple description I wrote. So are you ready to have everything that you dream of and fantasize about? So you can see all you have to do is write a call to action at the end. So tap the image. So if they click on the image, they're going to go back to your affiliate offer. So what you're going to do, you're just going to write a simple description like this one. You're just going to paste as a description on Pinterest. So we're just going to paste this, and that's all, guys. So all you have to do from here is go and get our affiliate link from Clickbank, and we're going to paste our affiliate link right here. So all you have to do is go to Pinterest, click on promote, and you don't have to shorten your affiliate links. As I show you guys in one of my videos, you can post links on Pinterest without getting banned, guys. So you're just going to post your raw affiliate link on Pinterest. So we're just going to write a tracking ID, for example, Pinterest. So you're just going to write, for example, like this. We're going to copy our affiliate link, and all we have to do is paste our affiliate link on Pinterest, guys. So we're going to paste this, and that is done, guys. All you have to do is publish. So I'm just going to create a group board. So we're going to create a board. So if you don't have a board, you're just going to create a board, for example, luxury lifestyle, and that's done, guys. So you don't want to click this, because if you click this, your board is going to be secret. So you don't want to click this. So you want to leave this blank, and all you have to do is click on create board, and that's it. You're going to click on publish, and your pin has been published, guys, and you're going to start being shown on Pinterest, and you're going to get a lot of free traffic, guys. So let's see your pin. So let's see your pin. So that's it. It's going to have your affiliate link inside. So anyone that clicks on this link, guys, so you can see anyone that clicks on this link, it's going to take them straight back to our affiliate offer on Clickbank, guys. So you can see it's going to take them to the overnight millionaire program on Clickbank. So this is one of the best products you can go and promote with this particular method I'm going to be showing you guys. So that's the first method, guys. So the second method, guys, is video, guys. So video is huge on Pinterest, and that's something you want to go and take a huge advantage of, because a lot of people are not using videos on Pinterest. Many people are just posting images. But if you go, for example, so let's say exotic cars, as I show you guys, if you have watched some of my videos, I show you guys that videos is getting a lot of engagement on Pinterest. So you can see these are images. So you can see the images you want to have, for example, 309 repins. So these are 309 saves. And you go back and click on this, click on pins, and go to videos. So you click on this one, for example, you're also going to see that it has a lot of saves as well. This one doesn't have a lot of saves, but a lot of the videos have a lot of traffic, guys. So I show you guys in one of my videos that I created about 3 days ago, and I created a simple video pin, guys. So let me just show you guys the pin. So this was a simple pin that I created. It's about 3 days ago that I created this pin. You can see on this video, guys. So if you guys watch the video, I show you guys how to create simple video pins promoting weight loss offers on Clickbank, guys. So you can see the video has up to 2,400 views, guys, in about 3 days, guys, that I saved this video on Pinterest. I can see it has up to 14 saves, and I'm just getting free traffic from this one video, guys. So this is just one video that I saved about 3 days ago, and it already has about 2,400 views, guys. So, and I only did this only for a simple example. So there's a lot of free traffic on Pinterest, guys. All you have to do is go and use this method I'm going to be showing you guys. So let's go back to this one, guys. So since we are promoting this overnight millionaire product on Clickbank, so we need this type of videos, exotic type of videos, and luxury lifestyle videos. So the first step, guys, is that you're going to go to Instagram, guys. So if you go to Instagram, you're going to go and search, for example, lifestyle videos. You're going to find pages like this one. So you can see these are lifestyle videos. They're just luxury lifestyle videos. So like this one. So that's it, guys. So you're just going to find this type of videos, and you're just going to download them, and you're going to post them back on Pinterest, and you're going to link people back to your affiliate offer, guys. So if you click on this, so let's click on this, you're going to find a lot more different accounts that you can just go and download these, guys. And I show you guys, if you have not watched some of my videos, I show you guys how to download these videos. It's very easily, guys. All you do is copy the URL of the page that you want to download the videos, and just go back to this website, GramSafe. So you're going to go to GramSafe, I'm going to paste this link of this page, and we're going to download these videos very easily, and we can post them back on Pinterest. So we're going to input the address, click on download, and that's it guys. You can see the videos. All you have to do is click on download, and the videos will be downloaded, and you can post them now on Pinterest guys. So all you can do is just download this, click on download. So let me just download a short one for example. So let's say I want to download this one. I'll just download this one and post it back on Pinterest. So that it is done guys. So all you have to do is you're going to upload this type of images on Pinterest guys. So also the next step guys, that you want to include this type of images. So if you go back to the product on Clickbank, so the overnight millionaire program, if you go back to the affiliate resources page, you're going to find a lot of videos that you can also include on the program on Pinterest guys. So if you click on this Facebook ad videos that are crushing, so this type of videos, these are Facebook ad videos. They can also download these videos and put them back on Pinterest. So you are going to find a lot of videos that have a lot of call to action promoting this product already. So all you have to do is just copy this, download these videos, and paste them back on Pinterest as well. So you can see, so these are the type of videos. So you can see, so let's open this one for example. So this is the entire video. And the main reason I want to use this type of videos guys is that this video that he has created already have call to action promoting this product. So anyone that is going to watch this video, is going to ask them at the end of the video to click the link to go and learn more. So they're going to click this link on Pinterest, and they're going to be going back to your affiliate offer. So to download this guys, it's very easy. I'll just click on this small download icon, and that's it. The video is going to be downloaded, and you can just upload it on Pinterest as well guys, and you're going to be linking people back to this affiliate offer. So what I'm going to do from here guys, I'm just going to cancel this one. I'm going to go to Pinterest. I'm going to click on create pin, and now we're going to upload these videos on Pinterest as well. So we're just going to click, for example, upload the video. We're just going to upload this video that we just downloaded from Instagram guys. So that is it. You can just write a simple call to action so you can see the entire video. You can just write a simple call to action as we did. So I'm just going to copy this one. You can just copy all of this. I'm just going to paste this. We're just going to write, for example, luxury lifestyle. So you can just write a simple headline like this, and that's all. And with the videos guys, you also have an option to include tags guys. So you can have the option to include tags if you are uploading a video on Pinterest, which is going to get you a lot more traffic if you are uploading videos on Pinterest. So what you're going to do from here, you're just going to write, for example, luxury. You can just say, for example, luxury. So say, for example, luxury travel, cars. So you can just say, for example, first class, and all of these guys. So you can include multiple tags. And next guys, as you show guys, you have to go back to Clickbank and you're going to get the affiliate link as well, and you're going to paste your affiliate link as the destination link. You can just write a simple example like this, and you're going to copy your affiliate link. That is it. You go back to Pinterest and paste as your destination link. I was just going to save it in the border we just created, so you can just save in any of these boards. So for example, I'm just going to save it in this one. I'm just going to save in this one, and that's all guys. This video is live on Pinterest, so let's click on see your pin, and that's it guys. That's the entire video. And anyone that watched this video and click on this link, they're going to go straight back to your affiliate offer guys. So that's it guys. So what you have to do is take action on this method and implement it, and you can start getting a lot of free traffic like this and a lot of sales if you are promoting this type of products on Clickbank guys. So I really appreciate if you guys found value in this video guys. Be sure to leave a like on the video guys, and please share the video so that other people can benefit from this video, and also subscribe to the channel guys, so that I'll continue to make these videos that can help you guys to make some extra money online. So that's it guys. If you want to learn my most recommended method to start making some extra money online as well, be sure to click the first link in the description to learn more. So that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video.